How does oral language impact reading development for ELLs? Reading development is influenced by oral language, writing, and an information-intensive environment. So, how can teachers provide the best instruction, creating an environment where students practice social and academic language? As educators, we are expected to teach our students much more than just academic language. It is imperative that every child practice both academic and social language. Every student must learn to communicate and socialize with their peers, both in the classroom and outside of it. If our ELLs learn only academic language, they might find success in their grades, but these formative years are much more than that. Students must socialize in the cafeteria, on the playground, and in the hallways as well. Teachers must create a positive classroom environment in which ELLs can practice academic and social language to discuss diverse texts. We can do this by posting daily content and language objectives, teaching content-specific vocabulary, and providing plenty of opportunities for students to work in pairs and groups. Home language is an English language learner's most valuable resource. Using home language as a foundation can be done by encouraging students to see the connections between their language. We can use home language to help develop phonics by comparing words that sound the same and mean the same thing in both languages, incorporating vocabulary instruction through analogies. Using analogies make new and unfamiliar concepts more meaningful to students by connecting what they already know to what they are learning, relating new concepts to previously learned concepts. Using new terms that are pronounced or written similarly in their first language helps build knowledge of cognates. Using writing experiences to enhance oral language. How does writing enhance the development of oral language? Writing causes students to organize their thoughts differently than speaking does, and encourages them to think about spelling, capitalization, and punctuation. Writing allows students to express themselves in ways they may not be able to do orally, because they can use more resources and they have more time to edit their writing. How can we scaffold discussions to facilitate the comprehension of text and higher order thinking skills for students with varying degrees of English proficiency levels? We scaffold when we learn about the student's background to learn their frame of reference. Do they have an urban, suburban, or rural background? Are they interested in sports, science, travel, Minecraft, or animals? We can then relate our subject matter to their interests to help engage them and bridge the language gap.
Created using Powtoon.